Focus of this video is going to be on something called memories, which are essentially little stored bits of information that tell Scribe things about how you would like your note to be written. So you can see I've already reopened this visit template that I made a few minutes ago, and I'm now going to add some memories to further improve and personalise it. Firstly, I will show you where there are existing memories. So you can see here within the history section, this image of the brain and the number 4 indicates that there are already 4 memories saved here. I can choose to edit or delete any of these, but I would recommend keeping these as these are ones we have added here at Accurx and at Tandem. So for example, the first is that it should not write observations like temperature and weight, etc. in this history, as they go in the examination and SNOMED coding findings. To add a new memory, I once again click into the image of the brain and select here to add a memory. So let's say in the history, I want to be 100% sure it will always include negative findings here. And I want those to be included in the history of presenting complaints. So I will add that memory and then save. And that is now saved as the 5th memory. I can also add memories as well as kind of advising Scribe what content to include in different sections. I can advise it what style. So here I will say in bullet points, as I always like my history be in bullet points. Again, I will save that, and that will be saved to that history section. I can also add memories to the template level. So this adds them to the entire template. So to do this, I will click into the image of the brain right next to the name of the template and click into add memory. So let's say I'm finding the Scribe notes are always a bit long, so I can say write the note succinctly and medically. So I want to make sure it uses medical terms, and then I will save that, and that memory has now added to the whole note. So now I just click to share this update, and those memories will be live, and it will inform what the final output looks like from the note when I select this note from my clinic.